Hi, I'm attorney Jeremy Huss. Can the police approach a person on the street for no reason? Yes, without any reason at all. Police may approach a person on the street, at the mall, or in a park, and just start asking questions or ask to search a person and their belongings. A good rule of thumb is that if a citizen can do it, then the police can too. For example, any citizen can walk up to someone in public and start a conversation. Police can too. It doesn't mean a person needs to answer or respond because someone could merely walk away from either the citizen or the cop. On the other hand, a citizen cannot walk up to a person in public and start searching them or detaining them. Similarly, the police cannot either, unless they have, at a minimum, reasonable suspicion. Police are not doing anything wrong when they approach for no reason unless they suggest to a person that they are legally required to speak to them or consent to a search. And we all know that nobody is required to speak to the police or consent to a search. A person should always fully rely on their Fourth and Fifth Amendment rights. The Fourth protects against unreasonable searches and seizures, and the Fifth protects against self-incrimination. These rights must be asserted unequivocally, meaning no uncertain terms. And be certain to tell the police officer directly that I want a lawyer, I will not answer any questions, and no, I do not consent to a search of my property. Now, it could happen that police approach a person for no reason, but then the police develop reasonable suspicion during the conversation and make a decision to detain the person. Reasonable suspicion gives police legal authority to detain a person long enough to dispel the suspicion. While detained due to reasonable suspicion, the police may pat down and frisk the person for officer safety purposes. Let's do a quick recap. Police may approach and ask anybody questions, including consent to search. A person does not need to talk to the police or grant them consent, and the police cannot use this refusal as reasonable suspicion to search. The only time police may legally detain a person after an approach is if the police can establish reasonable suspicion, or simply put, a reasonable belief criminal activity is afoot. Once reasonable suspicion is established, the police may detain the person for however long it takes to dispel the suspicion. Issues of police procedure and whether actions are compliant with the Fourth and Fifth Amendment are important issues in any criminal case. Identifying and properly framing these issues could be the difference between a life-changing conviction and an acquittal. It is always important to consult with and retain competent legal counsel who has the experience to review a case for these types of issues. If you enjoyed the content in this video, please like this video. Also, please leave me a comment in the comments section on what you think of government agents randomly approaching and speaking to citizens on the street for no reason. Also, please subscribe to my YouTube channel at Huss Law PLLC, where we have weekly chats on criminal law issues. And you can always call me to chit chat.